My name is Mike, and it's my job to show you how easy it is to grow food. Today we're talking about growing avocados from seeds. These are about 2 dozen Hass avocados that I've grown from seeds. I eat an avocado every day, save the seed, germinate it, and try and grow it into a seed so that somebody else can hopefully enjoy avocados several years from now. So this is one area where I put a lot of my seeds after they've germinated. And experimenting, I have 3 rows here of 12. So we've got 36 avocado seeds planted here, well watered, and I just put the greenhouse tarp on top. And then these are 2 other ones that I'm just using as a little controlled experiment outside the greenhouse area, so we can see this specific location compared to the trellis tunnel, which gets sun a lot earlier and pretty much the full day. So kind of 2 little areas here. I had this plastic from some furniture we got several months ago, kept it in the garage, rolled it out, and now excellent opportunity to provide a little greenhouse and see if these things grow better, faster, stronger. You know the tune. So you can check back in a couple weeks and we'll have an update on our avocado seeds compared to the ones. There's several that I just planted over here in the trellis tunnel. They're the ones that are under the shelves there. So they do get a little bit of shade, but they get full sun, full heat. Everything's watered at least once a day. These ones just got a nice healthy drink, and now they are gonna be under here for at least a week. Some of them had already germinated, some of them had yet to germinate. All of them had the root sprouts growing. So I'll try and cut to some videos of what the different avocado seeds look like. But other than that, that's it for today's video. If you like stuff like this, go down and subscribe. I'm out here every day documenting and experimenting, seeing what works and see what doesn't, so I can let you, the viewer, know what worked for me, and together we can figure out, hey, did you try this soil? Hey, how about starting these inside? Maybe you need a greenhouse, maybe there's too much sun, because there's a food shortage coming. If you haven't felt it already, it's time to start learning how to grow your own food. And part of my job is to show you how easy it is to grow your own food. So thanks for tuning into today's episode.